Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami heart for the spirit of the Valentine's Day season. Let's get started. First off, fold a piece of square paper in half diagonal. Oh, also I don't have any more red paper, so you're going to have to deal with this being pink instead of red. Now fold your paper in half again in the opposite direction. There should be 4 triangles in the square or 2 perpendicular crease marks running through the center of the square. And then unfold. Now, bring the left-hand side of the paper, the top left-hand side of the paper onto the center over here. Bring the top point over to the top edge of the paper like this. Make sure that the bottom point is aligned with the center crease. Now, fold both halves up and over to the top edge of the paper. Keep the paper flat on your work surface and bring the right point up and over the top edge by folding it up a 90-degree angle. Repeat this fold with the left point, bringing the inner edges of the folds together in the middle of the paper. Now, flip your model over and tuck the points into the back of the paper. Fold the 2 points on each top side of the heart down. This will give your paper heart a more rounded look. If you'd like your heart to be more triangular, then keep the points out. But other than that, this is your very own finished origami heart. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.